Get on in here, look at this meal. Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm cooking dinner tonight, Cornish hens and barbecue squash. My favorite.
What kind of squash?
It's acorn squash.
And who are you making this for?
Me and you.
It was requested.
Yes, it was requested, sorry.
By G at All Astrology. I'll
Right.
put the name up here for y'all. For you all.
Cut her in half. Now these seeds, don't throw them away. What I've been doing, and I've been getting acorn squash for years, is I take them and I wash them off and I dry them. And then I replant them for the next year. So they're great, so don't ever throw these away. Ever, ever, ever.
Did you see? Scratch your nose again? How'd you do that? No.
Oh, that's for my glasses.
You can't do that.
I just did it. Who says I can't do that?
No.
I beg to differ. I can do it quite fine.
Now, we like our squash done differently. I like mine scored a little bit and then filled with some butter and salt and pepper and nutmeg.
Nuts of the meg.
Yes. Andy likes his
with salt, pepper, and garlic. And butter.
And sometimes I'll do them with butter and brown sugar too. Just depending, I think, on what the other part of the meal is. Wow, that didn't get cut very fairly, did it? You're only going to have a small one, Andy.
Oh, yeah? Okay. I want to save these for next year, so I will put them away.
And deal with that after dinner.
Yeah, I'll deal with that later. Okay. Now, score it.
Careful not to hit your fingers.
Don't do that because I will.
Oh, that sound in the background. Sorry, guys. I'm canning up Monday's video. You'll be seeing this one on Tuesday.
And I poke in the middle here, but not all the way through. Just so that the butter can get through it.
These are so good. You can do them in the oven.
Yeah, you can do it.
About 350.
I like them on the barbecue though.
I like to turn them upside down to cook for half the time and then flip it up so that the hole's up and then put my butter and seasoning on. I don't think there's a wrong way to cook this.
There's not.
No. And everybody has the best way. They just don't know that ours is.
Kidding.
I would hope so. I don't know how to drive to the hospital from here.
Like this.
Oh, it'd be quicker to call a ambulance.
Yeah. 911, call a ambulance.
You know what? The ambulance depot is not far from here.
Isn't it?
No.
How'd you find that out?
Clint.
Yeah. Well, he knows. He's been around here long enough. Now, put some butter in it.
Look at the yard rafters out there again.
Yep.
Do you wrap them in foil when you put them out there?
No, I don't.
No?
No, because I like to take the juice and the butter and pour it all around the sides like that.
Okay.
Do you want garlic on yours?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not doing the nutmeg version because we're
Okay.
having the Cornish hen, so
Right.
just do mine the way you're doing yours.
Okay. Okay.
Salt.
Yep.
Okay, so he just salted. Now he's gonna pepper. Hey, do you want to use some of Uncle Steve's shake on this?
Yeah.
How about
Actually,
original?
The original would be best.
Yeah, let me get that.
Okay.
We decided on competition bird powder by Uncle Steve's Shake. We're going to use it on both the meat and the vegetable. Yeah, I love
You want a
that.
lot on yours?
I do. I love it. Yeah, I do.
I mean, look at it. I'm pointing to the other one there.
Okay.
Okay. We're ready to go on the barbecue. I like to put them in this thing here. Something like this so that it can, the butter will not go into the barbecue and cause one big fire. So,
Have you had that happen?
yes, lots of times. Don't do that. So this will keep them good.
Set them aside and get the
Now I
Cornish
gotta
hen.
get the cornies out. Here's the Cornish hens. I got them in a little thing here like this. This is just our dinner. It's nothing special. We're not going to really do anything big. Now,
We're going to add this to Jan's What's
Yeah.
for Dinner playlist. Simply Jan. And I'll leave the link. And we'll have it in the... I think it's called hashtag What's for Dinner. I'll type it again up here.
There
I'll
we go, look at
research
that.
it.
And I'm going to put on
Poblano and lime.
yeah, barbecue sauce. This will be good.
It's very tasty. I want like too much on mine.
Okay.
But you can put more on out there too.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
I can smell it. I love lime.
It's because I'm a limey. So we're gonna some lime, dehydrated lime that Peggy just made.
Stick them under the armpit.
The armpit, that way they don't stink. You know, on those busy work days that you know,
Oh gosh, you're making food.
that you know, it's hot and everything.
Okay, he's all mine.
There we go. Nothing like the smell of lime in the morning. Oh, that's good tasting stuff.
I know.
Nice. Nice. Okay, so she's ready for the barbecue. And I'm going to be cooking this on charcoal, not gas. Certain things I like to use natural, like wood and charcoal and all that, but this is what I'm going to cook it on today. We got the barbecue going.
Smells good.
Oh, it is. And it's at right now, it's only at 200 right now. But look at her.
Ooh, Andy.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
Now I'll coat the sides like this. That'll
Look
give
at
it-
that, G.
That'll give that a golden brown. I might
Have you
need more butter
I don't think so.
than this one.
Nah. No, I wouldn't want more. Can you prick it? Is it like getting tender?
I haven't got anything. Second. Let me see if I can.
Not yet?
No, not yet. It's been a
Okay.
while ago yet.
Look at
And
those
look at those birds.
Cornish hens.
Mm.
They got a way
Beautiful.
to go too.
Oh yeah. But they're just getting
Smell
started.
good.
Oh, they're going to be beautiful. That's a great Easter dinner.
You know what? There's going to be leftovers. There's no way we're eating a whole hen.
No. I can.
Oh, and it's Simply Jan is called What's Cooking.
What's cooking?
What's cooking?
What's cooking, Jan?
Uh-huh. Oh, good.
Not nice? Look at
Yeah.
that. Beautiful.
You're not just a handsome man, are you?
I'm not. I'm Superman. Okay, I think we're done here. See the golden brown on top of it? Around the edges? And look at that thing bubble. Oh, those are beautiful. Beautiful Cornish hens. Now I'll take them off and I'll let them set for about 10 minutes and we'll enjoy them. Hashtag what's cooking with Simply Jan. This is what's cooking. Cornish hen and acorn squash.
Charcoal barbecued Cornish
barbecued
hen.
on charcoal with competition bird powder from Uncle Steve's. I tell you, you're going to love this stuff. And poblano lime sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce. I tell you, it's great. Oh, it's just beautiful.
There's no way I'm eating a whole bird, so we're having leftovers, and I got just the recipe.
Look at the from the grease and all that from in the tray, and I could, when it was cooking, the grease and the barbecue sauce, I pour over top of it again. Oh, it was just beautiful.
Did you just drop it on your shirt?
I think so.
Did you get any in your mouth?
I got it. Oh, is it ever good?
It's tasty,
very
eh?
good, very tasty.
I tasted my acorn squash, and I think I'm just going to pig out on the squash.
I made you a bird. It's easy.
Well, I'll try a little bit of the bird, but the squash is big. Look at it.
The squash is beautiful. Look at that. See the brown? That's what I'm saying. That's the butter.
You took that away. You teased.
Oh my God.
I didn't see it.
Oh, okay. I'll show you. And you know, with the charcoal, you can taste a bit of the smoke.
Oh, that's nice.
Look at that. I'll put a little bit more butter on it. Oh yeah, look at that. Dripping. Oh my God, that's good. I love this. Over a charcoal bed, because with the lid closed, it gives it that kind of a smoky taste too. Just beautiful. I love it. And this Cornish hen. Oh, that is to die for. Let me tell you, what an Easter treat. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Or if you don't, give us a thumbs down. But leave a comment in below. What else would you like to see with this meal? Right? Or what would you like to see me make? And then don't forget that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. No, isn't that right here? I don't know where that is.
Empty space right here.
Ding, 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 ding. So anyway, we'll see you next video. Oh, that's good.
Oh, is it ever? That competition bird powder, it kicks it. I love it.
It
Love it.
Beautiful.
I'm glad we love the original, but I'm glad we used the bird.
Yeah.
It's a nice different flavor.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to put the cow on it because it would taste like cow, birdie cow.